Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be showing this car, and we also just unboxed these dolls. And this car thing is called the lorry car. Right there, see? It's a convertible, it says. Alright, and so there's like a radio thingy that you could turn off, and there's like, you could change the thing. And so we're just gonna like take off all the stickers off of it. And then, so we took off all the tags and stickers, and there's also this cool thing that opens and closes, and like how you open the doors is you twist it or turn it like this, and then there's like, yeah, that's kind of all. And you could also turn this a lot. I found this under the car, and it's instructions and batteries to do stuff. But I think the batteries were for the radio, but it already works. It says that like, so there's already batteries in the car, but it's for replacing batteries. Thank you for watching. And this car can actually fit a lot of stuff.